90% of the people lose 100% of their money in 90 days. Why? Why this happens? What is the reason behind this kind of failure percentage in the market? Why only 10% of the people only make money from the market? They bring some money, put into the market, lose, again go back, bring some more money from somewhere else, put it in the market, see some little profits, again give more back to the market. Account closed, again after some 5-6 months or a year, again come back, take money from somewhere, put it in the market. Same story continues. Why this happens to many traders? Why it happens to 90% of the people? Why only 10% of the people only make money from the market? And still people who don't have control who don't have rules, come give the money to the market, go back thinking, I think market is bad, this is gambling, this is not good, oh no, I'm not a good trader, I think I must learn something else from someone else and come back again and make money. Why this happens? The rules of the game, they don't follow it. What are those simple rules which each and every trader can follow and become a profitable trader? There are some simple rules. I lost money in the market, blew account, not once, twice. It was a very small amount, and later when I started implementing these simple rules in my trading journey, within a month I became a profitable trader. The first and very simple rule: consider trading as business. Many people say trading is a gambling. Oh, it's like it's a play. They come for a thrill. No. Imagine you open a shop. What you will do? You will put all the items there and you will open at the particular time and you will wait for the customer. You will pack it properly. You will have a set of rules to run the shop, right? You will close at the particular time. Suddenly when you consider trading as a business, not as a gambling, the switches in your brain will get on and you will start to take only the good trades, which is according to your rules. You will not have a feeling of FOMO, fear of missing out. You will not have that. When you consider trading as a business, you will feel a different kind of a trader. You will put only the particular trades. You will not do a overtrade. This is the simple solution to the overtrade, where you will give more money to the broker than you make. Nowadays trading is very easy. Just a click of a button will blow your account. And the second very important rule: playbook and imagination. Let me explain the playbook. Playbook, where it's like a rules which you have written to yourself. Imagine you have your own shop, business you have, and in that you have put 20 items, and within some months or within some weeks you will come to know customers are buying only these 3 products. These 17 are waste products. So what you will do? You will accumulate more of these 3 products and you will try to avoid these 17 products, right? The same thing applies in the trading as well. When you consider this as a business, what trades you will take, you will know that. Not when okay, market is going up, I will put, no, it's falling, I have to short it. No, you should have a playbook where you will enter the particular setup which is there in your playbook. That setup happens, then only you will enter. The playbook should not contain 20 setups. It should be maximum 3, 4, 5 max. If you don't have a setup on the particular day, leave it. And the market shows, yeah, this is the setup I'm waiting, and you will enter with the stop loss. Okay, if this comes this side, I'll exit. That playbook is very, very, very important. Otherwise, market will take money from you. You will not take the money from the market. Imaginations, very, very important thing. Imaginations. Okay, oh, trend line is going. Now this trend line will break. Yes, put the short trade. Yes, put. Market will go up. It will hit your stop loss, or more than you expected. It takes from you, and you will come to the fear. Oh, I think I wouldn't have done this. I wouldn't have done this, and you will start to show that emotions in you, and immediately the market will break that trend line, and you will miss that winning trade. I have done it. Many a time, okay, I think market will go down. Imagine, I would have waited till some more 5-10 minutes. I would have made money, but I lost it. And again, on the particular day, you will lose again if you have put the trade as well. So this imagining, okay, today market is up by 500 points, it will not go up. Consider this. Put a full stop to your imaginations. Consider this simple sentence. Anything can happen in the market. I have shorted at when the market was 500 points up and it went to 1000 points. Lost money just by imagining, okay, it will not go more than this. Who said? What is the proof I had? Nothing. A simple imagination kills the trades. So no, don't imagine. If you miss the trade also, it's fine. You are not running a sprint, 100-meter sprint. It's a marathon. It's a business. If you miss one trade, don't feel bad. It's fine. It's fine. Consider next 1000 trades. And then this missing of opportunity goes away from your life. And the third important thing, give finger, this finger, not complete hand to the market. What does it mean? You must put stop loss to your trading. You must put stop loss to your trade. Anything can happen in the market. If you read all the biographies of the great traders, Peter Lynch, Ray Dalio, their first rule is give finger, not the complete hand. If you don't put the stop loss, your account is going to be blown away. That's it. Stop loss is the must thing. And before entering any trade, where you are going to exit the trade, the stop loss and the profit, that you must know. Otherwise, if you say, okay, I don't keep a stop loss and this goes up and comes again, it will come back, then why you are entering at this point? If you are sure it's going to come down, then wait for that particular point. One simple thing I'll tell you, where you are going to put the stop loss, right? Try to enter there and put your stop loss far below than that. Then you will become a profitable trader, I will say. Whenever you are going to enter the trade, if the trade is not 1:2, 2.5 or 3, then don't enter at all. You will never be successful a trader if it is 1:1.5. And fourth thing, many people say journaling. If you say, okay, today I entered here, this was my stop loss, this was my exit, it's not going to help. Journaling must be in such a way. It should be very detailed things in your journal. Why you have taken the trade, that particular entry, why you have done, and what was your stop loss, what was your profit, whether it's a winning trade or a losing trade, and not only that, what emotions you had at the particular moment of the time when you were putting on the trade. These emotions will display you whether you were in fear or greed. It will display. When you write it, it will display whether you were in fear or greed. So putting on the emotions, and not only that, what was the setup. Then later when you analyze your journaling, you will come to know, okay, these are the setups which are winning for me. This is the best thing which I can put on the trade. So journaling displays your emotions. Journaling displays winning trades to you. Journaling displays the losing trades which you must avoid in the future days. Journaling displays everything. And not only that, what was the risk factor and what was the risk to reward ratio? What was the risk to reward ratio? Add it. Whether it is 1.2, whether it is 1:3, whether it is 1:4 or 1:2.5 or 1:2. What was the risk? In the future days, when you start to do this journaling, within a month you will understand, oh, where I am missing. Okay, this is the point why I was losing the money. You will analyze by journaling. Fifth, winning streak and a losing streak. Last week, I got a call from my friend and he said from 26 days he is winning every day. I told him, you must take a break. And after 3-4 days, he called me and said, Macha, I lost all the money, man. His account got blown out. Whenever you have a 4 or 5 winning streak trades, better take off 2 days, 3 days. If you have made a good money, just remove the money from the account, put it into a different account or investment account, and come out of the market. Close your laptop, go somewhere, go on a vacation or go to gym. Don't see market for 2 or 3 days. If you have a losing trade as well, consistently if you are losing, then come out of the market for some days. If you feel like, yes, I have to make money, I have to recover the money from the market, then again you will give. Losing streak kind of winning streaks, you have to take a gap. Your mind needs gap. That clarity of the mind should be gained, and then again come back to the trading. You should not even do a paper trading as well, I'll suggest. Many people suggest if you are losing money, go for a paper trade. No. If you want to go to the paper trading as well, go after some days. If you win 5-6 trades, just come out of the market and give a calmness to your mind. Don't stress it much, man. As simple as that. Don't stress it much. Don't give too much pressure to your mind and lose again money in the market. Don't do that. And the one bonus tip I'll give you, it's like if you follow this simple step, you will make money. One bonus tip this is, imagine you are boiling the milk and on top layer the malai comes. That you have to remove it, and again the milk boils, again you will remove it. The same step has to be followed in the market as well. Once you make the money, imagine you have 1 lakh account, and once you make 20,000 rupees by trading, remove that 20,000, put it into the bank account which is not linked to this trading account, or put it into some account where you do a future investment, where you do long-term investment, and invest it immediately. If you do, then your account will not blow away at any cost. Once you make some 20%, or I take 10%, if my account increases to 10%, that 10% I will remove. Sometimes even on the trading day itself, I move my profit to the different account. What's wrong in that? Why to keep my money in the marketplace where someone might get it by, or by my mistake I might lose it? So I just don't give that. And one more important thing is, don't put on the trades more than 10% of your account. If that 10% goes, it's fine. Not 100% should not go. Give as much less as possible to the market. Try to take as much money as from the market, and don't leave that money there itself. Put it into your account, into the different accounts, and save yourself from the market. If you follow these simple steps before putting on any trade, and you will start to make money like crazy. It depends on your mentality, how crazy you are, how much risk to reward factor is there. If you are putting 100 rupees risk, you will make 300. If you put 1000 rupees risk, you will make 3000 or 2000 rupees. But if you lose, you will lose 1000. I see people losing, oh, today my day is very, very bad, I lost 1 lakh. Come on, what is the risk factor? 1 lakh, will he make 3 lakh or 4 lakh? He was ready for that. I asked him this simple question, whether his mind was ready to see 3-4 lakh rupees profit in his account. No. If he is not ready, then he wouldn't have risked that much money. Whenever you trade, if it hits the stop loss as well, it should not impact you emotionally. That trades you must take. That's why your finger, not complete hand. This finger, fine. Thank you. If you're first time here, please hit the subscribe button and please support me. I think I have added value to your trading journey. Thank you so much. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.